All right, guys, my name is Perry Singh. I'm here at Ford HomeLink, and today I'm going to show you guys how to pair up your garage door to your HomeLink in your new Ford vehicle. So today I'm going to show you guys how to pair up your HomeLink to your garage door opener. So you will be able to use your Ford vehicle to open up your garage and park your vehicle inside. Step 1, clearing out your memory. Hold the left and right together at the same time until it rapid flashes. There you go. Which means your memory is clear. There's nothing paired up to any of those buttons now. So you want to grab your garage door opener, figure out what button opens your garage door, and hold down the button on the HomeLink that you want to pair up. And make sure your garage door opener is close to the HomeLink. And you're gonna hold down the buttons together at the same time until the HomeLink light becomes solid. And then you can let go. There you go. So now all we have to do for the last step is press, release, press, release. It's the same button that you just paired up. And then after doing that, you should have it paired up. Again, this is Perry Singh at Ford HomeLink. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.